Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 18 of saving $10 daily in April. So I have my $10 here. I've moved things around and now I already don't like it, so I have to move it again. All right, we're gonna try this. We're gonna try it. We'll see what happens. So day 18, let's get my prop coins out, get my binder all set. I hope you are having a wonderful start to your weekend. The weather is like up and down here. It was super windy the past couple days, but we're supposed to have another couple cool days again. So fingers crossed. I'm just soaking up as much as I can. So I'm bringing $10, so 5 and 5 ones, putting that in the bank to match our $10 in prop coins. We are starting at the paperclip, which is number 1. I'm gonna have to roll left-handed. It's gonna be like a giant hand in your face. All right, we're gonna try it. Candle, you don't need to be here. Okay. We're starting at number 1. That's where the paperclip was. All right, I have my prop coins. All right, let's get started. 3 for number 1. 1 for number 2. I'm taking it. That's pretty funny. 2 for number 3. 3 for number 4. 3 for number 5. 3 for number 6. I don't know why it won't stay in its little space. All right, so let's do that. 1 for 1. There you go, Kimmy. 1 for 2. That was a 2. I'm taking it, even though I wanted to re-roll and see if I got a 3, but we'll take the 2. 1 for 4. This is making up all the ones I didn't do in my live the other night. 1, 2, and 3 for 5, and then we have 1 I'll put on 6, and we will start at number 1 again. All right, so I'm just going to take some of these completely off camera. All right, so we are going to start at number 1. I'm going to put the paper clip on before I forget. All right, so number 1. Ooh, number 1 got $2.50. Holy cow. What do we have in number 1? Number 1 is, oh, from Becca Budget. Why do I, you guys, Becca and Lindsay are some of my bestest budgeting, just bestest friends, whether they like it or not. They're like best friends with me. And and I keep interchanging. Okay, I see the B for Bookish Mama and I say Becca. Okay, Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets, the adorable little plant creature that I just forgot because I'm so flustered I couldn't get the name right. All right, so we only needed 75 cents. We have 0.25 centers. All right, so let's color these last 3 in. All right, so we had 75 cents from that. Let's get a new one. Let's see what we have here. I'm just gonna pull one out. Oops, that should be attached to something. Okay, from Mint Dough, I have this super cute Happy Halloween. Oh, pulled it from the completed. I pulled it from completed. I knew it didn't seem right. All right, what's this one? Little skeletons. All right, this is from Spooky Budgets. It'll save $3, but we have to also count that little skeleton down there. So we had 75 cents. So this is $1. So I'm going to color in the 3 and a 1 here. So that takes rid of that and that one. So that one's done. So now I have $1.50 left. So 25.50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. Perfect. So this one's from Spooky Budgets, going into number 1. I'm already getting excited for spooky season and fall stuff. And we haven't even hit summer and all the heat. All right, so number 2 got 75 cents. And this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods. Nailed it. And we finished this one. So we can do 1, 2, and 3 for 75 cents. So we saved $3 with that one. We do not have anything going into the next one. I'm going to go into the extras and not completed. And let's do this little one from Cece at Creationsbymuneca. And it's going to save us $2 because I made each dollar bill 25 cents because it wouldn't have been an even number otherwise. So this is where I get the sparkly markers from. If you are interested, I'll have her YouTube channel linked below. She has a website, so I can't link that like I can link some other things on Etsy, but definitely check her out. All right, so we have $1.25 going into number 3, and number 3 is from Danny at Craftco Budgets, and we only needed the 50 cents. So I'm going to put that back, put that to the side, and color in our last 2 little flowers, and I will be right back. This one turned out so cute. So this one saved us $4. Wow. I guess we didn't finish anything yesterday and we're finishing a ton today. Oh, let's do one of mine. This one is mine and we can put 75 cents into it. And this is free on my Ko-fi. So let's do the yellow again. So we can do Alright, so we put 75 cents into number 3. Alright, and then number 4. Number 4 got $1. And number 4 is from Becca at Becca Budget 777. So we can do 4 spots. Perfect. This one will save us $6 when we are done. All right, and number 5. Ooh, number 5 got $1, $2, $3 going into number 5. And number 5 is from Chaos Budgeting. So 1, 2, and 3, so $3. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2, 25, 50, 75, $3. Oh my gosh, did we just finish this one? $1, $1, $1. Oh my gosh, we did. Wow. We're not going to finish any tomorrow again, but I'm going to color these in and I'll be right back. That was a long time. I probably super fast forwarded through that one. All right, so let's go back to our extras. And let's do this one. This is from Kimmy's Corner, Roll and Save. So we don't have anything to go into it. This will save us $4. Let me clean this one up. All right, and then number 6 got $1.50. Let's see what number 6 needed. Oh, number 6 just needed $1. From Kayla at Evergreen Budget, so 25, 50, 75, $1. So I can put this in completed and this over here, and then we can put 50 cents to a new one. Let's see, what is this little cute one? From Bookish Mama Budgets, we can do 50 cents. I colored the little circles, or little black cat. All right, so I feel like we finished a million of them. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We finished 5 out of our 6. Okay, Okay, so what was the most expensive one? So we have 5. 5 and 3 is 8. And 3 is 11. And 4 and 4 is 8. So $19. So let's put our prop coins away. Grab our $19 from the bank. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That does not leave much in there. It's kind of fun to have the big finishes like that, even though tomorrow will probably be kind of quiet. So I'm going to put my $19 in here and put our 5 completed challenges in here. Can't wait to count those at the end of the month. All right, so that is it for day 18. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day and an amazing weekend. And until next time, take care. Bye.